So you need to know more about pet insurance for British Shorthairs and aren't sure where to start and what's involved. Today we're going to have a look at the discussions surrounding British Shorthair cat insurance and what your expectations should be. We understand that you want the best for your British Shorthair. It's a member of the family and you should always treat it with the best possible care. So let's take a look at why insurance is a great option. Cat insurance is a lot like health insurance for humans, especially when you refer to the American health system. What this essentially means is that you won't always be paying out in full. Instead, you'll be paying a small amount towards the insurance cost every month, and therefore, if something does go wrong, the insurance will cover the vast majority of any upcoming vet bills. This doesn't cover regular trips, such as vet treatments for things like fleas and ticks of course, which we discussed in our previous video, which you can see here. But any major surgeries or things out of the blue are often covered by pet insurance by mitigating the cost and risk to yourself. Rather than paying 100% of the cost up front for a surgery, you may be asked to pay 10% and the insurer will cover the remaining 90%. Therefore, it doesn't always cover every single eventuality, but it will greatly minimise the total cost in general, rather than having to have all of the money up front, which you may not always have. What you should firstly do is take your cat to a vet to have an overall health checkup. You should then call a provider that offers cat insurance of your chosen breed and make sure that they're aware of any existing health conditions. Then they'll be able to provide you a quote. With this quote, you'll be paying a monthly sum, which can vary depending on the agreement you have in place with your insurance provider, but then they will cover a set amount of agreed treatments. Since purebred cats have a shallower genetic pool, purebred cats are at greater risk of inheriting health problems. Therefore, it's increasingly important to make sure that your cat is covered by insurance. In the same way that you'd shop around for car insurance, please make sure that you do shop around for pet insurance. Different insurers will cover different types of pet insurance, and therefore what is included with one provider may not be the same for them all. Take a look at the costs involved and the total cost that you may expect to pay over the lifetime of your cat, and determine whether or not pet insurance would be the right thing for you. Since vaccinations won't be included in the pet insurance of your cat, you should check out our link on screen now or the link in the description, which will help outline the vaccinations that your cat and kitten will require.